Yeehaw! This is how we jive from mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have another box in front of me. I have some budget sneaker for you guys for review from Shein. The box is quite simple as always. Let's go to the product directly. Here we go. You can see guys, I have budget sneaker for you in front of me. Lovely looking sneaker. Price could be $20 to $30, 20 to 30 euro, depend where you are. Here you can see the sole, look quite decent, quality look quite decent. They are looking exactly as Adidas or Nike. The very close sportswear footwear. Wow, beautiful design. Let me see close. Can state if you don't want to use shocks, you can do this. No branding is written because Shein work with many companies together. They have their own product, they have product from different company as well. In the summer days, if you are walking, you will sweat. This will help you because it's good. Let me go to the other pair. Here we go. You can see guys, both are beautiful looking sneaker in budget price. You have 1000 type of sneaker in Shein. You can check in different price, different budget. Very light. This one is good for summer walk, jogging, whatever you want to do. Here at the back side you can see you have something for your pants. The jeans will not go bottom of the floor, and the sole is quite high here, you can see. So very beautiful indeed in the budget price. If you want to see more review of this type of company of Shein, Cuccoo, more expensive brands, something as Timberland, Panama Jack, you can check the video description. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.